Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Time 5 seconds for each question. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Choose the opposite of fast. Option B is the correct answer. Question 2. Which is a synonym of angry? Option A is the correct answer. Question 3. Which is a proper noun? Option B is the correct answer. Question 4. Choose the plural of tooth. Option B is the correct answer. Question 5. Which is a conjunction? Option A is the correct answer. Question 6. Which is a comparative adjective? Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. Which is the opposite of empty? Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. Which is a pronoun? Option A is the correct answer. Question 9. Which is the superlative form of happy? Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. Which is an adverb? Option D is the correct answer. Question 11. Which is the correct past form of eat? Option B is the correct answer. Question 12. Which is a preposition? Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. Which is the opposite of short? Option D is the correct answer. Question 14. Which is a verb? Option A is the correct answer. Question 15. Which is the opposite of new? Option B is the correct answer.